This video, I want to show you how you can withdraw your money right from the Binance app using your mobile money. So in whichever country that you are residing, so as long as your country can accept the transactions between mobile money and Binance, then this video is going to be helpful. And I'm going to show you just live of how you can withdraw your money from your Binance account to your mobile money account, right? So in this video, let's get started. So if you check on my notification right here, you can see a successful deposit of about 64 USDT. So this is one of my withdrawals that I did this morning because I wanted some cash, and I just had to make a withdrawal today morning, and it just arrived. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can withdraw these 64 bucks to my mobile money account right now. So if you want to do that, you just need to head over to, you can see right now I'm using Binance Lite. So to do that, you need to switch to Binance Pro. You just have to hit on this sign right here, sign of account right there, then you switch to Binance Pro. So this is Binance Pro right now. So if you want to withdraw, we are just going to use the P2P trading, right? So, but to do that, you have to take note that when you are going to do withdrawals from P2P, you just have to make sure your money is in funding right here. So it has not to be in spot, it has not to be in margin. So you have to make sure your money is all transferred into funding section right there. And to do that, we need to first check where our money is right now. So when you go to spot, you will notice that our money is in spot account, right? And when you head over to funding, you can see it has 00. So what we are going to do, we are going to first transfer that money from a spot account where it is right now and put it into a funding account. So to do that, we just need to hit on transfer right there. So when you go to transfer, and then we can you can see it is saying from funding to spot wallet, right? But this time it is the opposite. So we need to switch because we want to get from spot account to funding account. So to switch, just need to hit that button right there. So when I hit it, you can see now spot is up and funding is down. So right now here you need to select which currency that you want to transfer. So I'm going to select it is USDT there. And now you just switch, you just hit on max because you want to transfer the maximum amount. So you can see 64.13 and then hit on transfer. So you can see transfer is successful. And now if you check on my funding account, it has 64 USDT. So now we're going to go ahead and withdraw that money. So coming back here, you need to hit on P2P trading. So just to go back to show you, P2P trading is here. So just hit there. And just like in the previous video where I showed you how you can buy cryptos, USDT, BTC. So this same price is where we need to exchange. But this time, the other time we used buy. So this time we are going to use sell, right? Because this time we are selling our USDT, and exchanging for cash, right? So we are going to sell. So when I switch to sell, then it will bring you a whole list of people who are selling, who are willing to buy your USDT. So when I switch to sell, you can see these are the people that you can sell your USDT right now. So I'll just scroll down and see, definitely because I want it very fast, I will just consider someone who is online and you want to sell at you want to sell at a higher price as possible so that you can get a higher profit. So I'm just going to go with this guy right here, Binance Merchant. So now again, depending on the limit that you want to transact, because you can see these people, for example, this one is transacting from 2 million to 25 million, 18 million to 25 million, okay, 50,000 to 500,000. So probably I think I'm going to go with this one because I just want 64 USDT, so which is about 270, 260. So I'm going to take this guy right here. I don't know. So I'm going to deal with that, and I think he's online. So, but now you notice that the payment method has cheaper cash, right? And I don't want to do with cheaper cash. So just go back here. So I have to get someone who has, in the range of the money that I want, and definitely has mobile money. And to be specific, I want someone who has MTN mobile money. So I'm just going to keep looking. So this one, okay, so this one right here, you can see from 100,000 to 700 there, and good enough as mobile money. The problem is he's not online, so it may take some time. So I'm going to go with this one right here. He's online and uses MTN mobile money transaction between 100,000 to 1 million. So I'm going to take that, then I will just hit on sell. So by fiat, I will just select all right here. So when I select all, it will input all the amount that I want to transact. And here I'll just select the payment method. So I will select the payment method, MTN mobile money. So now I will hit on sell with 0 fees. So when I do that, it will bring me this window and it says waiting for buyer's payment. So basically what it means that it has this countdown where where it's counting that person down to make the payment during this time. So we have this countdown and this one as well. So after this one and this person has not paid, they will definitely cancel the transaction automatically, and then I can select the other person who I want to deal with. So but as for now, I'm just going to be patient for a while and let it count down, meanwhile as we are waiting for this guy to send me this amount of money right here, and then I can release the coins and we call it a transaction. So just going to be patient for now and see how long it will take him. So you can as well as check on the chat box. You can as well as check on the chat box right here and see what this person says. So he says, call me on if payment is delayed. So just going to go back and wait a little long and see how long it will take him to send our money. Okay, so as you can see right now, the messages are just coming, and he has already sent the money. If I check on my mobile money, you can see I've received 244,000, so which is the exact money that we are trading, right? That we are selling. So, and you can see has marked the transaction as paid. So it just took us about I think 3 minutes for him to send the money. And now I'm just going to say payment received, and I confirm I have received the correct amount, payment, then confirm. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to release the USDT because I've received the payment, right? So let me just do the mobile verification and we proceed that. So the code is saying blah blah blah. Get it, you see, and submit. So payment, you can see, done. So successfully sold 64.13 USDT. So if I check on done, so the order has been completed, and if we can go back for now, you can see if this was the funding account, the money with it. So you can see it's now counting 00 because I've sold the USDT and I have received my money in cash. So if you check on this is MTN mobile money, so this is the transaction that I've just received, 244.